Sean backing up into here. Hey, just going back there. So this is how shallow it is. Right? Yep. We're getting stuck underneath rocks. I'm just... Look at that. Do you see that? What is that? Is that a grill? Poke it with your paddle. So that thing, it ain't moving. I think the entire cooler is stuck down there. Completely wooden. Look at that. It's wood. It's an old boat. That's what's wood. What?
Right?
Look at this. Sean found it. Oh, hopefully it worked.
President.
Is that Freebird playing?
Yeah.
Hell yeah! If it works! It works! I can't believe it works, bro! Here, I should do my ear.
No.
I think the train hurt us. I can't believe it works! It has rust on it too! That one's drying off over there. Got this food going. Oh, also you got a mango.
Hold that.
Yeah, it's this little tag thing. It's me the 1940s.
I know.
Cause I
Cola bread?
yeah, because you used to would go out to these abandoned places and I'd find like these old Coca-Cola bottles. Look just like this.
They got Bud Light.
Let's get some Bud Light.